Let's go ahead and plug this in. All right, so what I've done is I went ahead and plugged it in at my USB port. I have my inverter with the switches. The center section is off, down is flash, up is on. Ready to plug it in. It's got a female end, male end. You got to make sure that your window is clean so that the adhesive sticks. It might help if you have some tweezers to take this off. And then we're going to go ahead and position it. And the best position to put it in is on the lower end of the window so that it doesn't obstruct your vision when you're looking in the rear view mirror. Go ahead, press it on.